Wait, I missed it. Can you teach me the...
Oh, the whisking jig?
Yeah.
All right, it kind of goes like this.
Hello, we are here with Rachel Feinstein.
Thank you so much. I was just home visiting my parents and I did not get that reaction. So that was great.
And we are making CBD brownies.
That's strong. We're getting nasty today.
We're gonna start with making the brownie base, and there's actually no CBD in the brownie base because you can't bake CBD or it won't have the same effects. This is just a classic brownie recipe, and you've got flour, cocoa powder, and salt. If you could just whisk those together.
Remember, I'm a wild moron when it comes to cooking, so you have to like say things that you wouldn't think you'd need to say.
That's perfect. And I'm gonna combine this butter and
cooking,
chocolate and microwave it.
Do I look natural whisking? Oops. Made a bit of a mess.
That looks great. Do you cook much at home?
I heat things.
That's like pretty much like 99% of cooking.
This is my whisking jig. Oh yeah, we're whisking.
Wait, I missed it. Can you teach me the...
Oh, the whisking jig?
Yeah.
All right, it kind of goes like this. And then I keep stirring. God, I'm a lady. How am I doing this so effortlessly?
Your background is in cooking, I understand.
Oh yeah. They used to call me, I think it was Chef's Weekly, that said, wow, jeepers, what a cook she is. It was the chef's tattler that said she's got it when it comes to cooking. By that, we mean reheating select pizzas.
All right, will you dump both of the sugars into this?
You'd never ask.
Thank you.
God, that's power. Woo!
So we got some granulated sugar.
Sweet sugar dump.
We got some brown sugar.
Oh my God, there's more of a sadness to the second dump.
Yeah.
What it got in there.
Brown sugar is always a little bit more like...
Yeah, it's more clumpy.
Comes out in a hunk. How do you feel about cracking eggs?
I'm ready. God. How does she do it?
That's actually
cracking.
That's even better. You're
supposed
to crack them into a bowl. That way, if you get shells, it's a lot easier to take them out. I'm just
so I did do
living
the right
life
thing.
on the edge a little bit.
How does she do it? How does she crack it? Taking risks.
Take them to the bridge.
Wait, should I just dump them in?
Yeah, just dump them in.
Oh my God, I'm just going rogue. Thank God we did that. My mother made a mean brownie. I'm not trying to name drop here, but Karen Feinstein's brownies.
Did they have nuts, chocolate chips, anything?
She was a fan of the classic.
Yeah.
Karen. Keep it simple and keep your mitts off, Rachel Louise. She would also say, Rachel, strong and able, get your elbows off the table.
Oh, I hated getting called out for that.
Didn't care for that one bit.
My grandma used to say there were little fairies that lived at the edge of the table, and when I did that, I was killing them.
Really haunting. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's too much to put on you.
No, it was a lot. But I would like forget all the time, and then I'd be like really sad.
Yeah, it's a really natural thing to do. Can I use my junior stir
yeah,
to help out?
we can do this together.
Women and helping each other. Women in partnership.
You're just full of songs.
I really am full of the worst songs you've ever heard. God, this is very satisfying.
Stir these in. Yeah.
And what we have here is...
Tell the people what they're seeing.
So what we have here at home is what I call a lazy easy brownie. It doesn't mean it's not good. It means you can be lazy and do it on that.
Again, I don't know what it is, but you've got it. I'm gonna dump this in because it looks perfect. I did Google, can you overdose on CBD yesterday? And the answer is not that anyone's found yet. So these can go in the oven.
350, 30 minutes.
So,
it's in the oven.
On to buttercream.
Buttercream.
So it's a pretty simple recipe. We have butter, smooth peanut butter, powdered sugar. We're gonna do just a pinch of salt, and this lovely CBD.
This is some good ass CBD.
And I hear
very high end.
It's from a woman-owned company, which we are all about. How do you feel about using this?
I'm ready.
Okay, great. And I'm just gonna add the peanut butter, and you can just mix the two together.
Okay.
Till they're fluffy.
Banging on things. This is gonna be good. I've got a sweet feeling about this.
Yeah.
Oh wait, should I put this in?
Just a pinch.
Okay.
You
just a whisper, that's right.
Yeah, a whisper.
Now I remember. Just a whisper.
That looks great. All that's left is CBD.
Looks really satisfying.
I feel like we should start kind of small and then taste it and see what we think.
That's strong.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna leave here. I'm just gonna be rocking in the corner.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh no.
There it is.
The whisk dance is
There it
back.
is.
I think we can just go in and give it a try.
Oh
See
my
what
goodness,
we think.
please, yes.
Ooh. It's good. I can't taste it
damn
at all.
tasty.
Can you taste it?
I'm gonna turn my day around.
Well, we've got our freshly baked brownies that you whipped up earlier. Let's frost these guys. This is a lot of frosting, but I feel like we need to use it all because I think there's like $80 of CBD in it. All right, I'm gonna work on getting it to the edge. But
Did I do a good job of
you're doing
generally?
amazing.
Oh my God, thank you.
Oh, these look perfect. I think we can cut them up. This is the part where we get real loose off CBD.
This is incredibly tasty.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.